Pretty excited. It is day one of our trip and just doing a last minute gear sort, packing the car, and then gonna go grab the lads from the airport. We're gonna boost to Kaikoura today. Weather's looking good, so head into the hills tomorrow. Hopefully get onto some chamois, deer, maybe even a pig. Get some meat for the freezer, and then do some diving if the weather plays ball towards the end of our trip. So yeah, can't wait to get amongst it. Can't wait to see what happens. Oh, change of plans for day one. We've made it to Modaki. It's only that far because the boys took 2 hours at hunting and fishing. Just buying some extra gear. And we're just gonna go for a dive, stay in Christchurch tonight, and then we'll go to Kaikoura tomorrow. Weather just looks too good to miss out on the opportunity, so we're easily convinced. So hopefully it's good, and get a kai for tonight.
Here we are at day two. Great scones and chivvy. We're off to go diving. Cheers. Kia ora whānau, here we are in the mighty Kaikoura, South Island, New Zealand. Been out for a dive, one crayfish, real hazy, 2.5 metre viz. Get that in the air.
Yeah guys, so today's day 3, first day we're hunting. The plan for today, we're in the Hapuku River at the moment. We've just put our packs on. We're going to head up to the hut. Packs are heavy, but the boys are keen. Get out in here. Someone's out of the frickin'...
Real nice hut, this one. We stayed here for 3 nights last time. We had a bit of crappy weather. I think we spent most of the day in a hut here, but it's awesome. Right by the river. Made a mean stew last time, so we might try to recreate that if we can. Good fireplace if we need it. So good.
Yeah.
Kia ora team. Went for a hunt yesterday in the afternoon. Saw a lot of deer. Got onto a nice stag. Went for a bit of a push, but the darkness beat us. So we're back up early this morning, and we're about to go and see if we can find the same beautiful red stag we saw yesterday afternoon. 4.
Day 4.
Day 4.
How about you, Tim?
You good?
Here we are at the saddle, having a bit of kai, you know, waiting mid-morning out, you could say, ready to tackle it after lunch. Robbie didn't bring the coffee though, so maybe.
It's day 5, and we had a pretty big day yesterday, a lot of walking. No success in seeing the big stag in the afternoon, but saw 5 other deer, a scrubby 6-pointer and a pig. Potentially could have shot them, but it's still early days in the trip, so maybe looking for a meat animal in the next couple of days. We're going to try for the stag today if he's still around, and then let's see where the day takes us. Maybe have a chill afternoon if we don't see him this morning. Other than that, it seems like everyone's in good spirits. Got up early, had a brew. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, you got him, bro. You got him.
Fucking rolling, mate.
Sitting in the best spot.
Good.
Morning guys, day 6 today. Plan for today, we're up a little bit earlier. We're going to sneak up river and try and catch an easy one out in the river valley for a bit of meat, and then after that we're going to climb Mount Doom and try and recover Craig's stag way down in a fucking rocky creek somewhere. So that's the plan. After that we'll see where we end up, I suppose. Catch you later.
Oh, here he is. Got him the next morning. Shot him from over there. Bit of a grunt getting to him, and it's going to be a bit of a grunt getting out and take some meat, and then yeah, head back to the boys. It's the morning of day 6 and the plan for today is that we're gonna head out, so we're gonna pack our stuff and go. We've come out to look if there's any deer on the slits, but no luck this morning, and there is snow all around us, which is pretty wild. It did feel pretty cold last night in the hut, so it makes sense. Yeah, I think we got our deer and we've had a good time in here, so pretty happy with the trip. So we'll head back, try and do some more diving, maybe do some fishing as well, and then yeah, slowly make our way back towards Dunedin.
Morning guys, today's day 7 I think. Starting to lose track of time a little bit. Obviously we're out of the bush and we're going to do a bit of diving today. So the plan is go for a bit of a walk, get away from the areas that get hammered by people diving from the car park, and get a feed of crays and some fish hopefully. Got a new spare going yesterday, good discount because it was the pink one that no one wanted to buy hunting and fishing. So everyone's teasing me about that, but should still nail the butters I hope. So that's the plan. Stan?
Hey team, last day of the lads' annual rest and recovery trip. We're back at Spot X going for a dive where we started our trip. We're going to hopefully get onto some butterfish. Tim's going to shoot his new pink gun, get onto some pawas, crayfish, and hopefully see some penguins and polar bears. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.
Heating up the soapy water because she's a cold one. Yeah, so we're back home now and we've unpacked, done a little bit of a clean up and had a mean feed of the Kaikoura from today. That's it for the trip. About to drop the lads off and start planning the next one. Yeah.